Practice the Body Restorer ritual to reduce inflammation, relax tight muscles, ease out tension, soothe stress, and improve circulation. This is an incredible tool using one of the most simple and effective techniques in Chinese medicine, Gua Sha. Start by applying Hayo'u Revive Body Oil to the skin. Then, with a firm pressure, press stroke your chest starting from the heart outwards towards the shoulders. Do around 8 strokes, then move over to the opposite side. If there is any stress to be removed, Gua Sha will usually cause redness, which is the Sha. Don't worry, this is a sign of healing and will quickly fade. Most importantly, it's completely harmless. Next, your neck and shoulders. Tension here is common if you're sitting at a desk for long periods, driving, or carrying children. By press stroking the skin, you're releasing tension, boosting your immunity and circulation. Emerging studies also suggest that Gua Sha reduces inflammation. End with your back, focusing on anywhere that feels tense. You could ask a partner to help. Gua Sha would traditionally be given by family members or friends in an attempt to treat a whole range of conditions including fever, inflammation, chronic cough, and migraine. It's important that you let the redness disappear completely before performing Gua Sha again.